expansion bolt. When installing an expansion bolt, it is first inserted into a pre-drilled hole that matches its size in the base material such as concrete, brick, or stone. As the nut or screw on the bolt is tightened, the conical part of the bolt expansion core is pulled into the expansion sleeve. This causes the sleeve to expand and deform outward, tightly pressing against the inner wall of the hole. The friction and mechanical locking force generated between the expanded sleeve and the base material secure the bolt firmly in place, thereby allowing it to bear loads like tension or shear force.